shit, there's one taking off as well. Whoa, easy there, does it? Easy, does it, pilot? Damn. Fucking hell, pilot. No, I'll keep recording because of this one that's going to take off. They used to have like a floating fucking. They used to have a platform that you could stand on to watch planes take off and up close, but they've got rid of that platform and they've changed it with the fence and all that. This plane that's just turning now in front of me is about to take off. This plane that's came off here, turned around about to take off. Let's watch this plane take off. And we'll check when the next one's landing for you guys, and then I'll record that. Here we go, here's the engine. Here we go. He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going. There we go. And he's off. And he's off. When I post this on YouTube later, I need everyone to tell me where they think that plane's going. There you go, and we've got another plane coming over the top. And it sounds like we've got another plane taking off. So I'm going to keep the video rolling.